So I made it up to Snirt. I am by myself today. The guy that was supposed to come with me, he ended up couldn't make it, so it's unfortunate, but it's my first time ever up at Snirt. Got my Artie kitty with me, so we'll see how it is. It's pretty muddy up here. A little soupy. Oh man, it is soupy. I don't think it was going to be this soupy. Put my four-wheel drive differential lock on just in case. See if this guy goes through it. Someone just went through all that mud and water. I think there's still ice there too within the mud. She is hot. That's not good. So guys, so far it's not been good. I barely even rode, and my four-wheeler's overheating, and I'm not 100% sure why. Radiator in the front's pretty clean. The fan is on, so I'm not 100% sure what's going on with it. But it's pretty nuts up here, first time ever. There's people everywhere. So hopefully I can get the coolant issue figured out, because if I can't, I'm probably not going to be doing much riding at all today, which really sucks. I drove 2 hours for nothing, basically. I got it. Alright guys, so I think I found my problem. This shit right here, I was just looking at it and I just called my dealer because I did not think, this is all insulation, just all over in my airbox. So like it's all over, it's all caked. So I'm assuming I had some mice that decided to have a good old time in here. I mean, it's all in my frickin' airbox and in my filter and everything. So I'm gonna have to tear this apart, see if I can look into this hole right here. There's a hole, and see if they got a little nest in there. And I literally just rode 2 weeks ago, so I don't know. We'll see. But I'll get back with you guys to see if I got it all fixed. Thanks. Alright, so we're having some problems. It's still not working. It's the fan kicked on at 180, and then it just kept rising to about 230 or 213. So not sure. I'm gonna try to spray down the radiator, but the radiator looks good. So my day might be over quick, very quick. 167. I think this is snow and ice still in here with mud. I would say it's cleaned out and it's not overheating anymore. So, but it was two things. My filter was completely gummed up, and I guess my radiator was gummed up, even though it didn't look like it was. So. Farther than I was before. I think I made it farther than I was before. Snow. Woo! Oh yeah, staying around 180 now. I think we got it fixed finally. I guess it was just muddy. Who would have thought? It's all just ice. It's not even snow anymore. This is the, just so you guys don't know, these are actually the snowmobile trails that you see me riding on all year. Like, I was just at the High Market Inn. I'm actually headed towards Whiskey Jack's right now. That's what this is right here, this road. This is that long, like that corner that's always like bermed up really huge. So, pretty fun. This is another corner that's bermed up all huge usually. I guess usually there's a lot more snow up here than this year. I mean, there is some, like those berms back there are actually ice, like this right here. This is ice on top of the Seasonal Road. But she's actually staying at a good operating temp now. Right around 180, I think that's the temperature. I'm really hoping that I could get some crazy stuff on camera, but I got up here late, and then with all my issues, I don't think there's a lot of people anymore up here. Look at this. That guy's hauling ass. Look at these ruts. All rutted out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's having a hard time. He's turning to try to get back up. Oh, look at this. This is a Maverick. Something. Look at these ruts. Uh-oh, dude's gonna fall in. Get it. Oh, what is he getting towed? Oh, he's getting towed.
sketchy. Well, I hope that's not me later, getting towed like that. Oh, look at how muddy this is. Dang. I'm actually happy I came out this way. This way's a lot more muddy. I'm at 200 degrees though, 201. Jeez, look at all the campers out here and stuff. Oh man, they got a mud pit out here to play in. I'm tempted to go play even though I have, what you call it. I also don't have anything to get towed out with, so that wouldn't be fun. Damn, get it. Go down there and see, watch all these people play. See if I can't not get stuck. It's a Maverick. Uh-oh, he buried it. Holy fuck. Get it. Get it. Oh, he buried it. Maybe. Maybe. Nope. Get it. Oh, he almost got it. Oh. We got it. Pin it. Whew. Look at this thing, how jacked up this thing is. Thing's huge. Thing sits way off the ground. Oh, did that guy bury it? I think that guy buried it. go look. Uh-oh. Not good. Oh, yeah, he buried it. Jesus. Oh, Jesus Christ. He lost his helmet and everything. Jesus. Holy fuck. There goes all his beer. There goes all his beer. Holy fuck, this is crazy. I don't think you hit it hard enough. I don't think you hit it hard enough. I don't think you hit it hard enough. You gotta hit it harder. I really hope I got it. I do YouTube, so hopefully I got it. I throw it up. I hope. I was really way up there, so I got you coming out. Probably should put it in four-wheel drive for this one. No differential lock though. Maybe I should put it in differential lock. Last mud hole before I go back to the truck. One more time the other way. And then I'll hit it back on the way back out. Should be a good Snirt run finale. That was a good end of my Snirt run. I'll go back to the truck. Put it back in two-wheel drive. Woo!
Alright guys, so apparently I lost the audio for this last clip. I just want to say thank you so much for watching the vlog today. I had an amazing time at the Snirt run. As you can see, the four-wheeler is caked. It actually took me like 3 hours with my new pressure washer to get it cleaned up. But it was an amazing time. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and then I'll be able to bring more videos you guys' way. As always, guys, have a good one, and I will see you guys in the next one.